In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom text in Canva. We'll start right inside your project, so go ahead and open your design in Canva. Whether you are working on a social post, a flyer, or a thumbnail, everything we do will update live on your canvas so you can see the results as you go. First, let's shape and warp your text using a powerful app inside Canva called Typography. Look to the left sidebar and click on Apps, then search for Typography. When the panel opens, type the words you want to customize. Choose a font that fits your style and set a color that matches your design. Now, the fun part. You'll see draggable dots on the letters. Grab those dots and gently pull to bend, curve, or warp the text into unique forms. This is great for creating arcs, waves, and expressive lettering without leaving Canva. Take your time here. Small movements often look smoother and keep your text legible. When you are happy with the shape, click Add Element to Design. Your custom text will drop onto the canvas, ready to be positioned and refined. Next, enhance it with text effects. Click on your text box to select it. Then head up to the top toolbar and choose Effects. You'll see options like Shadow, Lift, Hollow, Splice, and Echo. Each effect adds a different kind of depth or outline. Pick one and use the sliders to dial it in. Adjust transparency for subtlety, tweak direction to control where the shadow or offset falls, and use blur to soften edges. A little goes a long way. Aim for contrast that makes the text pop while keeping it clean and readable. Finally, let's fill your letters with images or patterns for a truly custom look. Go back to the Apps tab on the left and search for Font Frame. Open the Font Frame app and input your text. From here, you can choose a built-in pattern or upload your own image. The app will automatically apply that visual directly inside the letters, creating a polished cutout effect. High contrast images and repeating patterns tend to read best, especially at smaller sizes. If the fill looks busy, try a simpler image or adjust your background to help the text stand out. That's it. Thanks for watching.